again.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Pakka.
Maybe. Only half.
Only me 20%. Just like
Thank
the
you.
salary deduction.
That's my thank you.
बताओ
You
कैसी
made it
है?
yourself?
Yeah. How is it?
Oh,
Let me
papri,
taste.
papri. Hey,
Smell
you need
is
to...
nice.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Nice.
Cheers. It's like fresh big tea.
Very nice.
You need to share with me. It's too much.
I already.
Eh?
Very
fine.
हाँ
slowly.
मैंने ऑलरेडी पी है
Mm,
फ्रेश मिल्क चाय दिस वन
that's fine. Album में हम था मात्र तो तरंग
Then, in the last moment, we panicked and we asked ChatGPT. Okay, we based on ChatGPT said, go to DMCC metro station. We got down at DMCC metro station, and after that, it's way too far. Then now you know how much we paid? 70 dirham.
50 पैसे हारेंगे 50 पैसे हार लेंगे without like
चाय
hold it.
गिरेगा only 2 chai
Enough.
bicha chai bicha means hot wait Gurnima don't drink just to cheers cheers it's chai okay double click if you
Maybe this one is expensive.
I'm feeding him. He's quite happy.
He just friend.
السلوك لا المجتمعات لا يمكن أن تجتمع
आ जाओ पिज्जा आ गया हमारा वो क्या है वो पिज्जा के अराउंड में लाइट लगाएंगे और फोटो निकालेंगे एक है ना
Pizza Hut signature dip. Yeah, like this in this box also.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe I think they forgot to put the fries.
Really?
Oh, I put the empty box.
1 minute
Extra.
what happened yeah it should be something no if they want to say if
Yeah,
they want to
maybe
show
they
the
want to put
signature
fries.
should be whole here
Maybe this is the only.
maybe they just wanted to fill the space
ah
I think
Yeah.
or else it will move right
It will not fall, yeah.
but like that
Yeah.
तो निकालो ना ऑफ करूंगी मैं ऑफ करूं
you
ओके
off the
Yeah,
Wi-Fi,
देना आएगा।
otherwise-
नहीं ऐसे सही आ रही है. Now it's nice. Other people's Yes, did. Okay.
Oh, हाँ.
Look.
वाह ये हमेशा मैं रील्स पे देखती थी ये वाला सीन गो
Don't make fake smile. जा ये जा अरे अच्छा जा एक और ये अच्छा प्लेट है तो हिला हिला भी अच्छा लगता है पोज ऊपर देखो अबे तेरी मच्छर काट नहीं ऐसा तो अजीब लग रहा है सोच रहा ऐसा लग रहा मतलब कोई जगह पे देखो हाँ ऐसा
Oh, you're spinning. Just stay like this, huh? It's very nice at night.
her camera is nice
Got it?
Oh, I got it.
Then I will take one more line.
Ay, wow.
Ah,
Mashallah.
mashallah.
Not coming funny, right?
No, come here, friend.
Funny.
Put your face a little down. No, it's not nice. No, the hair.
The hair? Like this?
Right side. Lily like this.
Like this?
Lily like this.
Room service वाला चप्पल
ओ मेरा है वो.
What is your phone, Lily? What's one thing you have done but never told to your parents?
Jug jug.
Of course.
No, I think she has not done. No.
This is very common, everyone doesn't tell, but like there is something maybe you did and you didn't tell your parents.
Signing your mark sheet
Huh?
That is also
What?
can be.
What?
I have done that.
yeah, me also.
Signing?
Your marks sheet,
Fake sign.
Sign, fake sign.
fake sign, no?
So what is something? Okay, let her think. Remember,
There's this-
like you.
Like I have one vacation. They are also like boyfriends, not my boyfriend. Boyfriends with boys. Okay. But I told them it's only with girls. But I went together with
When
boys.
you're in
But
high
they
school
know.
time.
Yeah, in school time.
Ah.
But they don't know. Hold it face.
Your face is already funny.
15 seconds.
Okay, make your funniest. What do you think is funniest?
Just make
Do it.
What I will do? Funniest face.
funniest.
Not cute, funny.
Cute. That is not funny, Baba. It's
scary.
like zombie.
I'm the professional. But you have to hold it 30 seconds.
15 seconds.
15 seconds.
15 na 1-5.
Tick tick one.
15.
Don't make her laugh.
I can see some hair. I know what to gift you for this birthday. Roasty.
Now your nose is running.
Niagara Falls coming down.
Okay, enough.
Of you, why you cannot like take, making it your fault of not
Okay, the
finding
fat
a
shaming. Yeah, I don't like it. I really don't like it. I act like I'm okay.
Okay,
I
but
really
you
don't.
hurt.
Also, I don't like to look at myself now in the mirror. Before I was like, you might have noticed, like I'm not taking my videos or pictures, right? And because I don't like to answer that question, you know, when they ask about a man.
answer anyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Nobody knows you more than
Yeah,
yourself.
myself.
And you're not. Who would get arrested first?
What kind of?
Who in the group would get arrested first? Yeah.
Why? Because she cannot lie.
No, this one nonchalant, very nonchalant, doesn't care. Yeah. है ना? बोला है who in the ये ग्रुप में कौन सबसे पहले अरेस्ट होगा? मैं बोला तुम.
Why?
मैं बोला नॉनचालेंट ना, केयरफ्री है ना, फर्क नहीं पड़ता, किसी से डर नहीं है.
खाली वाली.
खाली वाली. रूल्स है खाली वाली. मैं करेगा मेरे को जो करना है. अरे ले बुम बुम.
What?
ChatGPT question.
Again? No, not me.
Answer. Why you are showing it to us?
Jumping jacks.
Why?
Jumping jacks.
Different country.
Wow.
You need to do
I
jumping
think
jacks.
no need. Let's change that
Okay.
question.
Take another.
Yeah. Thanks, Anna.
You have another jumping jack.
What's your most useless
Talent.
Baba?
Talent.
Useless talent क्या है? Singing.
What's
No use for my singing, no?
I don't know.
talent दिखा दो.
I think like I can sing.
हाँ.
To be honest, I can't.
But you can't even sing in the bathroom.
It's useless.
It's like other people can't hear my voice.
Look at her.
I think. But I feel like I'm very nice singer. Other people can't hear.
Maybe the ears is like bleeding already.
in the bathroom. No.
Bathroom will also not accept.
Okay.
Embarrassing thing you have done in your life.
My
Embarrassing thing.
Life.
है ना? याद करो. Just drunk moment.
You have to act, huh?
No.
No, it's a question, right?
Just
She doesn't.
explaining. Explain.
Funniest for me, not like funny what happened. Not funny.
No,
funny
because
for
of
me.
you.
So it was my birthday, and my friends planned a special event, but I drank so much that I was sleeping off the entire event. I was like that, and people were dancing in front of me. They did the whole stage performance. Special dancers came, they danced and everything. But I was I was out. I only
because you drank.
yeah, because I was so out. I only saw it in the video. But they were. I see in the video they keep waking me up, but I'm so out and all the special performance happened, everything. But what to do? That was the funniest. I missed it.
Okay, next. And in public, it's very farting.
You are the right team.
Really? Did you fart?
I saw the bubble in the water. That you think would survive a reality show the longest and why? Oh shit.
Reality show?
Who in this group? Okay, in this group,
Okay.
Maybe Jennifer, no?
I think would survive a reality show longest and why?
Now, what kind of reality show?
Like the reality show. You know, in the TVs they give like. there
Because
is-
there's dating show, like surviving show.
So
Moon is no more.
hmm,
Yeah, maybe Sun will come.
I think Jennifer.
Why? Actually, that was my question.
Yeah, but I think you know this one, it needs some good acting to survive. Okay, and Jennifer.
I was
knows-
about to say your
and
name,
Jennifer-
actually.
Jennifer knows when to keep her mouth shut and when to talk.
Yeah,
She is very good in manipulating.
yeah.
So if you,
Reference.
if you,
Like, this is your personal experience where? In the office?
no, not with me,
Like,
but like
what you
I-
noticed?
yeah.
Okay.
Based on your character.
If in the group, like if
In
I
the-
put myself in it, then me.
Hmm.
Okay, if I put myself in it, if I am out of it, then you.
Okay.
Okay.
Because I think even I can be very manipulative and because I choose myself first. अगर तुमको कोई दूसरा पंजाबी गाना आता तो वो भी गा सकता है तुम्हारा जो दिल है तुम्हारा फेवरेट गाना गाना
सर्च करके गाऊं कैसे?
मतलब 30 सेकंड्स है
30
दो लाइन भी जो आता है
It's okay, Twinkle.
that's the one और टंकल
Yeah.
तेरी बातों के बिना घर नहीं जाता मैं बाहर रहता तेरा इंतजार बस मेरे ख्वाबों में आओ करके 16 सिंगार 30 सेकंड का था इट्स
Okay.
कंप्लीट नाउ
Voice for 30 seconds. Okay. It's not nice. It's okay. I will get No, it's okay.
no do it
Do it. No, I
imagine you're doing it to Jungkook
Imagine your IU. No, what should
No, you can talk anything.
yeah let's say Jungkook
Like a baby?
yeah
Twinkle, just a stop. Twinkle, little star.
yeah sing like a baby sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I wonder what you are. Okay, it's enough. 30 seconds.
Yeah, already 30 seconds.
We are the audience. Like this in the front.
First crush in my life, right?
Yeah.
Thank God.
I should ask another one crush.
No, I thought it's in Dubai. Okay, my first crush was one of the actor from Bangalore.
The one. Okay. You tell me.
Okay, from Dubai. Because we are living in Dubai, no?
I know he's not from Dubai. Right?
Dubai, I had one crush on one Iranian guy.
Now?
Not now. First crush.
First crush.
And okay, the first crush in Bangalore, he was very handsome, like my type only. So yeah,
So
we did not date. We met.
why you didn't date?
I can't date. He is Hindu. I am Christian. Bas.
Date just
True. I am running nose.
Are you sure? Maybe Tazi.
No,
I am.
my red flag.
This is what read your last 3 search history items.
Where is your phone?
Have any like a
No, you need to now tell us.
lyrics?
So I'll read Durnima's search
Mama, I
history.
love 3
Wait. I'll just record you. So, okay, mass offering ideas. Children confession before first Holy Communion. Twinkle, twinkle, little star lyrics.
Okay. How come someone doesn't know Twinkle Twinkle Little Star lyrics?
No,
Maybe
that
she doesn't.
I save it to and send it to my daughter because she need to write full.
I thought maybe for Dudima Twinkle Twinkle open your mouth.
This is from ChatGPT. I have read this question.
मतलब क्या तुमको किसी रिलेशनशिप में अच्छा नहीं लगता मतलब
English.
गलत
Red flag.
हाँ
Red flag about yourself if you are in a relationship.
I don't even know if I have a talent.
What talent?
Secret talent?
Yeah, secret talent.
कुछ तो होगा.
That's no
No, I don't know if this is talent. I have high sensitivity.
That's an insult.
Put oil. Baby cream. Shiny, I thought she's from elementary, but she's like I think high secondary school. Huh? We need to learn from her. Put oil, she says. Oh my god, which one? Which oil?
Which oil? Coconut?
Baby oil or grease? Baby oil. If you want to go, we can go. Right? No need to wait for the sunrise. I thought it's you who want to see the
She
sunrise.
cannot sleep
Mommy, I
anyway.
didn't come for the
She
sunrise.
cannot sleep anyway. Right?
Yeah. No, she can manage. Maybe 1 hour she will sleep. She's like one of those, you know, they go to bed and decide to, I want to sleep, and suddenly they're in deep sleep. I need 2 hours just to go to sleep.
Oh, they'll go from there.